Today I am discussing with you unit number 4, healthcare. By going to bed early, we give our bodies rest. Yesterday, as I have shared with you about healthcare, most important factor that was healthy food. But today I am discussing with you other important factors of as a healthy life person. That one is by going to bed early, we give our bodies rest. How you being a healthy person? When you eat healthy food and when you go to bed early at night at proper time. We need to keep our bodies clean to stay healthy. We should always neat and clean our bodies to stay healthy. Keeping healthy and strong, we need to exercise daily. If you want to be a healthy person, you have to do exercise daily. Yesterday I have discussed with you most important factor as a healthy person you have must eat healthy food. Other important factors are early to bed. When you go to bed early time, it's mean that by going to bed early, we give our bodies rest. Look at this boy, how he is looking. He is looking fresh because he go to bed at proper time. Okay, I hope you have listened a poem about early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Healthy, wealthy and wise. What is the message of this poem? The message of this poem is when you go to bed at proper time at night, so your body take complete rest. It makes your body healthy and wealthy and wise. So always go to bed at proper time. Okay. One most important other factor, we need to exercise daily. Look at this picture. In this picture, what they all are doing? They all are showing the exercise, how they exercise. Our body need exercise daily for keeping healthy and strong. It is the need of our body that we do exercise daily. We must exercise daily for keeping healthy and strong. If you want to be a healthy and a wealthy person in your life, so you have to follow these rules. You have to eat fresh and healthy food. You go to bed at proper time and you exercise your body. How you exercise body? You exercise your body by other terms. How? I will explain you. But number one, if we will not exercise daily, what will happen? If we will not exercise daily, we become unhealthy. If we will not exercise daily, we become unhealthy. Understand? We become unhealthy, tired, and easily become sick. Those students who are not habitual of exercise, they want to sit all the time in front of your TV or a mobile. It is not good for them. They try to play something else. They try to do exercise. Otherwise, they will not be a healthy person. Okay? So it is necessary. You have to exercise daily. Look at this picture. In this picture, here are the some exercise. What is she doing? She is doing cycling. Cycling is a type of exercise. When you cycling, it's mean you exercise your body. Look at this boy. What he is doing? He is playing football. She is also playing with the ball. What is she doing? She is skipping. She is skipping. She is skipping. That is also a type of exercise. When you do skipping, it's mean you exercise your body. What he is doing, he is also playing with a ball. She is playing tennis. It means she moves her body. And the moving of a body in the exercise way, it's mean you are doing exercise. How you exercise? You exercise your body by cycling. You exercise your body by cycling, playing, skipping, etc. Okay? This answer you need to write in your book. I have given yesterday a task about exercise. Yesterday I have given you a task, page number 20. In this task, I gave you question exercise A, question number 1 and 2. If you have your book in your hand, so you can open your book, page number 20, and I am showing you this slide for your book, page number 2, answer number 3. How do you exercise your body? So you can write these words and other words for exercising your body. Look at this. If you have your book, so you can open your book, page number 20, question number 3, exercise A, question number 3. How do you exercise body? So you can write this answer. We exercise our body by cycling, playing, skipping, and other words are jumping, hopping, playing other games. This is the exercise. Got my point? Understood. Next one, that is one most important factor that I think that how can we keep ourselves clean? If you want to be a healthy person in your life, so you have to be follow the rules of keeping clean. You have to follow the rules of keeping clean. Look at this picture. What is the rule? And the rules are taking a bath every day, combing hair, brushing teeth twice a day, day, trimming nails, washing face, wearing clean clothes, eating healthy food. How can we keep ourselves clean? How can we keep ourselves clean? By these methods, by these rules. Number one, bath daily, comb hair, wash hands before meal, keep nails short, brush teeth twice a day, brush teeth twice a day, brush teeth twice a day. Okay. Ob- Observe the picture carefully. How can we keep ourselves clean? We keep ourselves clean by bath daily, comb hair, wash hands before meal, keep nails short, brush teeth twice a day. You can observe this picture. You can observe this picture in this room. In this picture, rules are mentioning here, which shows you that how can we keep ourselves clean. If you want to be a clean your body, so you have to follow these rules: taking a bath, combing hair, brushing teeth, trimming nails, washing face, wearing clean clothes, always eating healthy food, bath daily, comb hair, wash hand before meal, keep nails short, brush teeth twice a day. Mind map on keeping clean. Mind map on keeping clean. One more time, I am showing you how you keep your body clean. You have to keep your body clean by follow these rules. If you want to be a healthy person, so you have to follow these rules. And these rules are bath daily, comb hair, keep nails short, Brush teeth twice a day. Wash hand before meals. Okay? Look at this slide carefully because this I have given you in your home task. Okay? This is the mind map on keeping clean. I have given this mind map at your home task. Yesterday, as I have shared with you that as a healthy person, you have to eat fresh and healthy food. And today I am discussing with you other rules that how you keep your body healthy by following other rules, that is about exercise daily, going to bed early, and how we keep ourselves clean. That is the conclusion time. Now I am sum up my topic about with the sum point. And you can also take the screenshot of this picture. Why? I will tell you after this. Okay? Conclusion. We need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. How you be a healthy person? If you want to be a healthy person, so if we want to be a healthy person, so we need to look after our bodies, look after, take care of our bodies, so we can be healthy and strong. I hope you all want to be a healthy person and a strong. All girls wants to be a strong girl, healthy girls, and all boys also wants to be a healthy and a strong boy. So if you want to be a healthy, wealthy, and strong, and if you want to be a grow quickly, so you have to follow all these rules. Always eat fresh food, healthy food, avoid unhealthy food, junk food, avoid unhealthy food, junk food. Got my point? And always keep neat and clean. For keeping healthy and strong, we should eat fresh and healthy food. Okay. We need to exercise every day. Many times I am sharing with you that if you want to be a healthy person, if you want to be a successful in your life, so you follow these rules, that is about we need to exercise every day. And it is not necessary you exercise like the you go to gym. You can exercise at your home when you playing cricket, when you playing other games, not video games. I am sharing with you exercise by you playing football, cricket, cycling, jumping, hopping, skipping. This is also the type of exercise. Okay? No need to sit continuously in front of computer, laptop and your TV. Those students who are habitual watching continuously mobile, this is not good for their health. This is not good for their health. I know that some students use very much mobile. That is not good for their health. So you have to exercise your body, okay? If you want to be a taller person, healthy boy, healthy girl in your life, so you have to exercise. And I have shared with you the type of exercise. We should go to bed early. I know that some students go to bed not at proper time, but this is wrong habit. Those students who go to bed at night late at bed, this is not good, right? This is not good. We should go to bed early. By going to bed early, we give our bodies rest. When we give our bodies rest, so definitely we will be healthy. Okay, definitely we will be healthy. We should go to bed early. We need to keep our bodies clean to stay healthy. We need to keep our bodies clean. We need to keep our bodies clean to stay healthy. And I have shared with you the rules of how you stay clean. How can we keep ourselves clean? Okay. Now this time is the home task. This is your home task time. This is your home task time. Look at this picture. Yesterday I have shared with you that do book exercise from page number 20. Okay? And I told you that you need to do question number 1 and 2. Now today on page number 20 you will complete question number 3 and exercise B. Question number 3 in exercise B on book page number 20. If you have your book in your hand, so open your book and look at page number 20. Yesterday I have given you this task, so you can review this task. Page number 20, you have done exercise A, question number 1 and 2. Now I am sharing with you question number 3 and exercise B. Question number 3, how do you exercise your body? And I have shared with you how do you exercise your body. Look at this picture. You exercise your body by cycling, playing, skipping, etc. etc. mean others. Jumping, hopping, playing other games like he is playing football, she is playing volleyball, she is playing tennis. So when you play something in which your body moves, this is the type of exercise. Okay. Page number 21. Look at this picture. This is your page number 21. This is your page number 21. This is your today task, page number 21 and 22. In page number 21, the question is this. Look at the picture carefully. Look at the picture carefully. Circle those pictures that show children exercising. Look at in this picture, children exercising. So you will circle on those pictures in which children are exercising. Children are exercising. Okay. In this picture, which picture showing exercising? Yes, this picture. In this picture, boys are running. It's mean they are exercising their body. They are exercising. Jumping, skipping. Okay. Page number 20. In page number 20, if you have your book, so open your book. Make a list of 3 types of food that you like. Draw pictures of them in the boxes below. You have 3 boxes on page number 21 in which you will draw your favorite foods. A, B and C. Okay. Follow the question carefully. In box A, B and C, you will draw your favorite foods and you will write their names. Not necessary that you will draw any one difficult picture. Draw a very simpler food picture. Okay. Okay. Now come on your copy work. This is your copy work. This is descriptive question. Write a note on healthcare. Write a note on healthcare. How you will be healthcare? Now I am showing you this answer. Answer on slide number 8. Get ready for the screenshot. Okay, this is the answer of your question number 2. A note on healthcare. Don't need to write conclusion heading on your answer. This is my heading conclusion. You will just start writing answer from line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your answer. We need to look after our body so we can be healthy and strong. For keeping healthy and strong, we should eat fresh and healthy food. We need to exercise every day. We should go to bed early. We need to keep our bodies clean to stay healthy. Okay, I hope you took the screenshot. I have shared with you, write a note on healthcare, answer on slide number 8. Now, question, complete the given mind map. How you will complete this given mind map? Keep bodies clean. Today I shared with you many times how you keep your bodies clean. That is your task. So you will complete it right now. That is your task. Okay. I hope you understand all today home tasks. Okay. Tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, I will start unit number 6, animals. You have to complete question number 2 and the question number, complete the given mind map in your copy. Book page number 20, 21, 22, just in your book. Okay, good.